Hey guys, welcome to week number 3 of World Religions. And this week we're going to continue our study in Asian religions. Last week we looked at Hinduism. This week we're going to move towards Buddhism. And if you thought Hinduism was unique and had a lot of interesting aspects to it, you're going to find a lot about Buddhism in the same way. I've been over to China twice on a variety of different trips to work with Chinese people in culture and religion and different things of that nature. And I'm always fascinated when I go over there. Buddha is life. I have seen some of the largest Buddha statues, and am just amazed at the reverence that people have for the Buddha. And when you see these large statues and these relics of Buddhism, we have to remember that there is a person behind the Buddha. There is a person who basically taught some of the same principles that you might come to find in other religions. Just it does differ greatly when it comes to salvation and things of that nature. But especially with Buddhism, we find this goal of trying to get right, to emphasize love and service and doing good for other people. So you'll look at different aspects of Buddhism this week, some of the unique activities, rituals, celebrations, things that they do. But for your discussion forum, I just wanted to hit on this just for a minute, in addition to the questions. For instance, this discussion forum says of the Buddhist schools, Smith describes Theravada, Mahayana, Vajrayana, or Zen, which is the most and least appealing to you. So you're going to be looking at two, right? One that's most and one that's least. But notice, tell me why. Give me specifics. Don't just say, "Well, I like Zen because it's relaxing," or what. No, I need you to give specifics. I need you to be very detailed in your answers. Same thing with your questions also, with the reading questions. Don't just settle for just giving a basic answer, but give a detailed answer that proves not only have you read the material, you understand the material, and you can apply it into your life today. So those are the assignments that you have going on this week. I think you'll really like Buddhism. Hopefully you enjoyed Hinduism as well. So as always, if I can help you, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me, okay? Take care. I look forward to talking with you soon.